2023-12-12. Work it harder, faster, stronger. Thailand, Prachwap Kirikan. It's not 10 a.m. yet, it's cleaned, the second machine wash will soon be ready, lunch is going down, and so far I've managed to do almost the first 100 of today's push-ups. My body aches when I go to bed and feels fine for the first 10 minutes after I wake up, or my head, that is. Then the training pains come again. The first 25 push-ups, regardless of the exercise, are felt, truly. My body screams for me to stop it, but I just smile even bigger. I really enjoy this, I truly do. Pain is pleasure when you know what the pain turns into in practice. A better physique and health, so I smile and indicate for the body to shut up. We have only just begun, so enjoy. Self-sadist, there is no one I compete against more than myself, because I know from experience that I push myself further than many others to achieve my goal. So the more pain I feel, the more my body adapts to my future plans. Sometimes maybe a little too far, when you almost die because of the competitive instinct so well, maybe it's a little far, maybe not. Either you do or you don't, almost is far from. Straight up. A glass of red on the balcony had to end yesterday, a little laughter mixed with work. I admire my brother, I know it's never quiet in my head, God bless. He has 3 times if not 4 times as much spinning all the time, but that's how we are. A fisherman increases his chances of catching fish if he has more rods in the water. Or a hand grenade.